Hello there. Great evening, forex traders around the world. This is Mohammed Kande coming at you with a weekly analysis and somewhat of a monthly analysis before the month ends on Great British Pound, Australian Dollar. As you guys may already know by now, this is my baby. This is my absolute favorite pair in the market. And let's kind of slice and dice this for the week coming up, and let's see what's going on. So just right here off of the monthly, I just wanted to show you guys what it is that I'm seeing right here, right? So as you guys can see, market has been printing higher highs and higher lows on a monthly chart, right? So then we finally got to this high right here, and the market pulled all the way down here, right? And now I'm expecting something to come up over here or maybe come down. But let's take a look. Let's see how this thing evolves, right? As you guys know, I love to break the market down from the monthly and work my way down. So as of now, on the monthly chart, we are currently in an uptrend, right? The market has not breached this strong trend line that I have right here. The market has been respecting it. And then there's a couple of ways that you guys can draw this up too, right? Some people like to touch as many candles as possible. So if you guys take a look right here, either ways, right? This area has been respected. Every time the market comes down, right, gets rejected, come down, gets rejected, right? Market comes up, comes down, gets rejected, up, comes down, gets rejected, and then up. So either way you look at it, the market has been, has not been liking closing below this trend line on a monthly chart. But where it gets really interesting is on a weekly. Show you guys what it is that I'm looking at. So the market did this right here, right? The market created this W pattern that I really liked, right? And then the market exploded up. And then the market came down, right? Higher high, right? Up here, now we have a higher low. So I'm expecting the market to go up, right? However, remember, the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So the key is always to be proactive and not reactive, right? Don't react as soon as the market does something. More so be proactive. Plan, prepare, and be disciplined enough to patiently wait for what it is that you've planned for. So I'm personally, I am biased bullish on this market, but I'm gonna wait to see how this monthly ends in a couple of days, right? The month is supposed to end on Wednesday, so I'm really excited to see how the market ends, because if the market ends with this pin bar right here on the monthly, well, you know what, guys? Look at this right here, right? Market always look to the left and you'll see clues that have been left, right? So what did the market do? The market came back on a monthly and tapped the 61.8. Clean tap. I mean, absolutely beautiful tap. And it's creating a pin bar off of the 61.8 on a monthly chart. So overall, we're still in an overall downtrend, right? Because market never broke structure here. Market has not broken this major structure area right here. As a matter of fact, the market came back and retested the area. And if you guys look at my earlier videos, I speak about this. No matter whether it's a day or two or maybe a year, when the market breaks an area, it is always going to come back to retest that area. It is inevitable. The market always does. And if you guys see this huge momentum right here in this area, huge momentum in this area right here, all this that you guys were seeing right here, this was just the market working its way back to the 61.8, right? So now we're looking for strong bearish momentum. But for this week, I'm looking for bullish play. I'm looking for the market to kiss this 61.8 one more time. If not, the market is at least going to do, I want the market to do a 50% retracement of this pin bar right here. That's what falls within what I like to see. And that's what gives me additional confluence to attack this market on the bearish level, right? So let me jump it back down to the weekly chart. So let's take a look right here. If you guys can see right there, perfect tap on the weekly, right? The market came, literally tapped it, created a nice little rejection candle right here, and the market just went short. But if you see right here, the market has been printing higher highs and higher lows. So this is another trend line right here, right? So I'm waiting for the market, or I would like to see the market break this trend line that I have right here. Breaking this little trend line will be additional confluence as well for me to let me know that, you know what, there may be change. Bulls may be getting back into the market. But if you guys take a look right here, right? Let me tap this right here, right? Perfect tap, right? So the market literally pulled back, tapped my trend line, And it's looking like we may get some upward movement here, right? Oh, come on, don't do that to me. There we go. So we're looking like we may get some upward movement, but you never know, right? The market, like I said, I always like to emphasize this, right? The market can remain irrational longer than one can remain solvent. That's always the key. So always, always, always be proactive. Do your homework. As a forex trader, you are a sniper with the Navy SEALs. So you are going to spend 15 hours hidden somewhere, looking in your scope, waiting for a target to come. And on that 15th hour, you're going to get one target, and that is the target that you're going to massacre. And then you're going to go back to the drawing board and you're going to do the same thing. That's what we do as professional traders over and over again. We are professional SEAL snipers. My job is to chill in the cut and patiently wait until opportunity presents itself. When opportunity presents itself, I take that opportunity and I maximize it. Less is more in this market. You don't need to take 150 trades. You just have to plan your trade, right? Inspect what you expect. So whatever it is that you're expecting, inspect it. Make sure that it is going to go your way. Make sure that it is going to work out in your favor. You're going to be okay. And here we are on a daily chart. If you guys take a look right here on the daily chart, look at this, right? The market did a 50% retracement of this bullish candle right here. The market came all the way down to 80, to actually 80. Wow, look over here. 80, 90 the market came down to, right? And now we're looking for upward movement. So that's what it's all about. That's what it is all about, guys. All about. So let's keep, sorry about that, guys. I was looking at my chart. I apologize. But let's keep it strong, guys. Let's stay focused in the market, and let's kill the market, and let's get some massive pips. Any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask me. But I'm overall bullish in the market over here. As you guys can see, market tapped my trend line, and we're looking to get some upward movement over here. Let me break it down. Let me show you guys another confluence. Look at this right here. Beautiful trend line right here. What did the market do? The market broke my trend line, came back and retested my trend line, and now we're getting some upward movement as well. So that's another confluence for me. That lets me know that, you know what, we're gonna get some strong play, at least up to this 80, 84, 54 area, right? And if you guys take a look on a D1, right, 82.42, right? I'm looking to take my first take profit right here, and possibly right here, 84, 84.54, which is that next area where the market actually shot down from there, right? So happy trading, everybody. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here for you guys, and let's get some massive pips, and let's kill the market this week.